Object-Oriented Programming Languages and Application Development Tools by Debra SP. Object is an item that can contain both data, procedures that read or manipulate data, represents a real person, place, event, or transaction, can be reused, and are designed for repeated use. Developers create applications faster using existing objects. Java is an object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystems. This is a picture portion on Java program and the window that the program displays. Java uses just-in-time compiler to convert the machine-independent code into dependent code. C++, developed in 1980s by Brajan Strauch at Bell Laboratories, is an existing extension of C programming language and has features for working with objects. Programmers commonly use C++ to develop database and web applications. Visual Studio, developed by Microsoft, contains a suite of object-oriented application development tools that assist software developers in building programs and apps for Windows or any operation system that supports the Microsoft.NET framework. Integrated Development Environment (IDE) includes tools for building graphical interfaces, an editor for entering program code, a compiler and/or interpreter, and debugger. RAD (Rapid Application Development), a method of developing software where the software developer writes and implements a program in segments. Object-oriented programming languages and application development tools work well in a RAD environment. .NET is a set of technologies that allows almost any type of program to run on the Internet, internal business network, standalone computers, and mobile devices. ASP.NET is a web application framework that provides the tools necessary for the creation of dynamic websites. Visual Programming Language is a language that uses visual or graphic interface for creating all source code. The graphical interface, called Visual Program Environment (VPE), allows system developers to drag and drop objects to build programs and apps. Other languages and application development tools. 4GLs is a non-procedural language that enables users and programmers to access data in a database. Software programmers often use some of the classic languages as shown in the table to the right. An application generator is a program that creates source code or machine code from a specification of required functionality. A micro is a series of statements that instructs a program or app how to complete a task. Micros allow users to automate routine, repetitive, or difficult tasks in application software such as word processing, spreadsheet, or database. Web development HTML, XML, and WML. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is a special formatting language that programmers use to format documents for display on the web. XML, Extensible Markup Language, is an increasingly popular format for sharing displayed, separates the web page content from its format in a form appropriate for the display device. WML wireless markup language allows the web developers to design pages specifically for microbrowsers, such as smartphones and other mobile devices. Script languages. JavaScript is an interpreted language that allows a programmer to add dynamic content and interactive elements to a web page. To the right shows a portion of a script in a web page. Perl originally was developed by Larry Wall at NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory as a procedural language similar to C and C++. PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. It is a free, open-source scripting language. Building applications with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The popular game Angry Bird is built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTMLs create the background screen dynamically. CSS helps control the appearance and position of the birds, pigs, blocks, and other on-screen game elements. JavaScript performs some of the calculations needed to model the physics for flight and other events in the game. Thank you.